right to it. There's some rain coming, I think. Right now we're between storms, just the way it's been this year, and the water's nice and calm. I'm gonna start out by dragging a frog across this cheese and see what happens. So yeah, we're gonna get after it. Stay tuned. Using this kind of frog, well, because that's the kind of frog I got tied on right now. Something just, oh, little guy. Well, you're not big enough to eat a frog. Look at that. Well, that's a pretty good sign, though. He's aggressive. All right. These gnats are just having a gay old time. I got some spray on though, so it helps. In my opinion, this is the funnest way to catch bass if they'll eat it. It's topwater. The old topwater, well, it's hard to beat. And the conditions seem right for it. I'm just gonna cover water right now, find some aggressive fish. There are some storms around, but I think we got some time before they're gonna hit. When I'm fishing the slop like this, I mean, you can try to fish every square inch of it you can, but I like to find like something different. So just anything that's subtle, like if there's a log or some little branches sticking up or something, or a bush that's in that cheese, the cheesy slop. That's what I like to use, like target. A lot of times what that will, sometimes that'll means there's a depth change. So the water is deeper or shallower in that one little area, and a lot of times that's what they like to sit in to hide and eat food with their mouth. This frog is a Booyah pad crasher. I've used a lot of frogs. I've tried a lot of different ones. And for me, this is my confidence frog because I just seem to have a better hookup ratio with it. I seem to not miss as many fish with this bait. Check the link below to get a frog like this of your own. This is just a leopard frog pattern. It's cloudy like this, so maybe I should be throwing a black one, but normally that's like, yeah, I'll keep like a frog pattern one that looks like a bluegill maybe, and one that is black for dirtier water or dark, cloudy, dark days. A lot of times when there's like an open hole, hopefully you can see that right there, but I'll cast over it and then kind of maybe pause a little bit in it and try to just work it kind of slowly in there. There's something small in there trying to eat it. I'm not interested in you. There he is. Come here. It feels like a good one. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Man, there's big fish in here. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, that is a big one. Holy. Whew. Well, she ate it good too. You're not getting away. You're not getting away, girl. I bet this is the one that I lost a couple days ago, right here. All right, come on, you're done. Come here. Come here, bacon. Wow, whoa. Holy. What are you talking about? This is what we fish for right here. That's why we're here, right there. Man, that is a beast. And I have a functioning scale today. So let's just see what we get out of this old girl. Wow. That's a dandy. Destroyed that frog too, just ate it. 6 pounds, 6 ounces. I'll take it. I think she spawned out too, so 6'6". So before the spawn, speculate this fish would be worth well over 7 pounds. Awesome fish. Thank you, baby. There she goes. Whoo! Glad I came out today. Just hope the cameras didn't crap out on me. 6 pounds, 6 ounces. I was here a couple days ago where my camera, turns out my camera wasn't on, and I hooked into one right here. And it was a good one, and I bet you there's a good chance that could have been the same fish. 6'6". Once you catch a bass like that, you want another. Right now, that's the best feeling in the world. That fish right there is in my opinion, especially in Illinois, that's the equivalent of, you know, of 150, 160 inch buck. If you wanted to compare fishing to hunting, to deer hunting. That's a really special fish right there. And I think every year these gnats get immune to different sprays, seems like. Whoa, another big one. Still on there. Come on, get out of there. Oh, came off. That was another great big fish. Oh, I'd like to have seen that. You know, I'm gonna tell you the mistake I made right now. Is I was running a popper with this rod before, and I put a monofilament leader on there because I wanted it to have some stretch. And instead of getting rid of this leader, I just tied that frog on. And I do believe that that might have been my mistake today. So there's nothing wrong with having a frog on monofilament. I mean, that's what a lot of people do. But this braid has zero stretch. That was a hog. That was a beast fish right there. I missed it, and I'm gonna say that maybe the stretch in that mono leader might have got me right there. So if you run braid, and if you have a frog, and I'm not suggesting this, I'm telling you, run straight braid to that frog. Don't run a leader. And most people don't use a leader. But if you have a rod with a braid, that's your tool for throwing a frog. Don't make the mistake I did. I possibly could have gotten that fish out of there had I had less stretch. Well, okay. Alrighty. Hi there, little guy. That's not what we're looking for. Every bite's fun though. It's not like I'm gonna say I'm bored or upset that that little fish ate it. It's always fun to catch them. Oh, I didn't get a very good hook set on that one. That felt like, gosh dang, there's big ones. I just flat screwed up right there. I wasn't paying attention. Another big one. That would have been 3. I'm not doing very good today. Dang it. Starting to get a little bit threatening out here, so I believe we are going to pack up and get out of here. Wind's starting to pick up. Clouds are doing funny stuff. Just hope I can get everything packed in before we start getting wet. I think we're gonna be all right. One fish in 1 hour. It's a big one though. Could have been a lot worse. Thanks for watching. Out there outdoors, America. Catch you on the next go around. Get out there and go fishing. Get out there and go fishing.